Ko'rinishi ko'rkam braslet xohlaganlarga naborimiz ham bor. Nabor deyman, tspochka qizlar. Bu ham ko'rinishi ko'rkam, mana ko'rkam xohlaganlarga grammi oz, o'zi ko'rkam.
We also have a very beautiful bracelet. These are all girls in red. They look so white in the world. We are red in the Russian color. Here. Our type is also a long-haired model. For those who like long hair with bangs.
Safar bunimizdan yetmaganda ko'pchilikka mana keldi qizlar. Bu ham rosa chiroyli, mana tekis to'qimlari ham, kuloni ham brendovый Louis Vuitton. 5 proba sariq tillada monogramovka shapard tspochkamiz. Mana tspochkamiz ham shunaqa uzun modelidan kelgan qizlar. Mana uzun taqishda yaxshi ko'radiganlar uchun kulonlari bilan. Zmeykamizdan ham kelgan. Bu ham kuloni bilan. Mana zmeyka hech qachon modadan qolmaydigan narsa bu ham. Bunimiz ham kuloni bilan yengil gram. Rosa bo'yinda nejniy chiroyli turadigan mana. Buni kuloni taqilgan, tspochkasi yangi taqilmagan qizlar. Mana shu yangi taqilmagan tspochkaga shu kulonni qo'yib qo'ydim.
Our medosh has arrived for the sisters who asked for it, and these are very beautiful girls, not in a mulberry tree. Our necklace arrived for the sisters who asked for it. It is in very beautiful condition. These are not duddy girls. We also have after our snake, this one with a pendant. This snake is something that never goes out of fashion. This one is also light with a clone. How beautiful it looks on the neck. Here is this pendant worn. Girls, the sapochka is new. I put this pendant on this new, unworn sapochka. This time we did not have enough for many. Here it came. Girls, this is also very beautiful. Here are the earrings. The pendant is from the brand Love It.
Ko'rkam braslet xohlaganlarga ham anchalik ko'rkam braslet. Bular hammasi o'zimizning qizil tillada qizlar. Svetda shunaqa oqishroq ko'rinyapti. O'zimizning qizil tillada rossiyskiy rangida mana. Naborimiz ham bor. Nabor deyman, tspochka qizlar. Bu ham ko'rinishi ko'rkam, mana ko'rkam xohlaganlarga grammi oz, o'zi ko'rkam. Tspochkamiz ham shunaqa uzun modelidan kelgan qizlar. Mana uzun taqishda yaxshi ko'radiganlar uchun kulonlari bilan. Zmeykamizdan ham kelgan. Bu ham kuloni bilan. Mana zmeyka hech qachon modadan qolmaydigan narsa bu ham.
Men hech qachon
bo'ynimiz ham bor qizlar. Kulon qo'yib qo'ydim mana. Rosa chiroyli turibdi shu kulon bilan. Mana.
Tushdimi? Mana shunga yoqtirmoqsan.
Medasi so'ragan opalarga medasimiz kelgan mana. Juda chiroyli, go'zal holatda. Bular dudli emas qizlar. 85 probada shunaqa zirachamiz ham bor. Mana